And it's this simple. You just go to this website right here, log into your account, then you just click on this button, copy, go to Google, paste, click on this link right here, and that's how you can make money in just a couple of seconds. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can start making around $1 every minute just by searching Google. Now, this method is very simple to set up. You can do it in just 5 minutes, and after you watch this video, you will know the exact website to go to, the exact steps to take, and after you set this up, you can start doing this method right away and see results with it in just a couple of minutes after you finish registration. Now, the best part about this method is so AFK. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from your laptop, your computer, you can do it while you're traveling to work, while working out, while literally doing anything, as long as you can handle phone in your hand and click a couple of buttons. Now, you may think the $1 a minute, that is not that big of a payout for make money online method, but if you could do it for just like 30 minutes every day, you'll make extra $150 every single week just by pressing a couple of buttons. And if you make it to the end of the video with me, I'm going to show you yet another way how you can scale those $150 every week and turn it into something that can start making you thousands of dollars literally on autopilot. But before we get into the methods, I'd kinda like to ask you to show support for this channel. You can do that by liking the video. Just scroll down, press the like on this video, and while you're there, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be notified immediately and you get to watch it right away, put it to action, and make most amount of money with it. And actually, go ahead and put this method to action right after you finish watching this video. Then, after you make some money with it, return to this video and down in the comment section, do let me know how much money you have made. And also, if you stumble upon any trouble during this method, just do let me know down in the comments and I'll be glad to help you fix them. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to this website right here. You can see we are going to be using a Firefox extension. For those of you who do not know, Firefox is yet another web browser. I believe it's like number 2 browser in the world right now. Although not that many people tend to use it nowadays, they're going for the alternatives. But this method will work for Firefox, and also it's not shown here, but it will work for Microsoft Edge as well. So if you're stuck with using Microsoft Edge for some reason, you can do this as well. And also, as you can see, no application is required. You just simply sign up for your account. You don't have to wait for any approval process. You don't have to provide any documentation. You just sign up for this website and you can start making money right away. Now, also worth mentioning is this method will be paying you out, this website will be paying you out via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you may want to set up right now. If you already have a PayPal account, that's okay. But if you don't have a PayPal account, you just simply hop onto PayPal real quick, sign up for your free personal account. You need to fill in the country where you are from, fill in the phone number, you will receive a code, you will use it to register for PayPal, then you'll simply use your email address to sign up for PayPal. I'm not going to do that because I already have a PayPal account and I don't want to register for another one. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just go ahead and sign up for one, because you will be needing it to receive money you will be making with this method. Now, actually, you can see right here, you will be paid around 5 cents per click, and you may want to start asking, why would somebody pay 5 cents for a click on Google search? Well, actually, I'm going to show you exactly why. Just go to Google and look for something like best restaurant in Washington, D.C. And as you can see right away at the top of the search bar, you will get these Google Maps, and right below it, you will get selected a couple of restaurants. Right here, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 restaurants right here, but I can imagine you already know that in Washington, D.C. there are literally thousands of restaurants. Now, what they need to do to rank in this search right here to get, for example, to first, second, or third place, they actually need to be visited by traffic to their website. For example, if 2 million people right now were to hop onto Google, search for best restaurants in Washington, D.C., skip this one, go straight to this Ember Capitol Hill and go to their website, linger there for like 30 seconds, immediately this website of this restaurant will pop to the top of the search results. And actually, all the other restaurants that are not listed in this Google search, they may want to pay a small amount of money for a couple of clicks to their website, so they will rank higher on the Google search results. And why will they actually do that? Is because they want the attention. They want the attention of all the people looking for best restaurants in Washington, D.C., so they can get more customers. They get more customers, they make more money, they spend some of those money for clicks on their website, they rank higher in the search results, they will get more customers, and so on and so on. It's just a huge snowball effect like everything else with making money. So actually, to get paid a couple of cents for clicking on search results like this, you want to go to this website that's called SERPclicks.com. Just go to SERPclicks.com, scroll all the way down here and select join the network all the way to the bottom. And as you can see, there's nothing difficult about registering for this website. All you need to do is just put in your email address, choose a password. Also, make sure to put your PayPal email, the address that you use to sign on PayPal here, so they can start paying you out once you make enough money. And for this website, you need to make at least $5 to be able to withdraw the money. But considering some offers will pay you more than 5 cents, some of them pay at least 25 cents, you can literally make this in just a couple of minutes by pressing the right search results. So just go ahead and sign up for this account, and once you do that, then once you log into your account, First of all, you need to download, if you don't have already, Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser. To do that, just simply go to these buttons right here. You can see this site provides ways to download both Firefox and Microsoft Edge for you very conveniently just by pressing one of these buttons. Choose your browser. Then you want to click on this download SerpClicks browser extension right now. Obviously, if you try to do that on Chrome, it's going to give you this pop-up that's going to show you're using an unsupported browser. That's why you need to download Firefox or Microsoft Edge right here. Just go to Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser, paste the link into the search bar, log into your SerpClicks account on this browser, click on get the extension now, and it's going to download it. And then once you log into your SerpClicks account, and there's pretty much usually a couple of offers right here. Now I have completed a bunch of these earlier today, and as you can see, there's none right now, but that's because I live in a country that doesn't get a lot of these offers. This is going to be different for you. As you can see, it's keep refreshing every 100 seconds, so just wait a couple of seconds and it's going to give you some offers right there. But basically, I'm going to explain to you how this is going to work. You just click on a blue box that gets created right here, and it's going to copy the keyword you need to search for. Paste the keyword, hit on search, and what you want to do is actually the exact page will be somewhere down here under these suggestions. It's going to be highlighted in red. The entire site that you need to click on is going to be in red. All you have to do then is just click on the site, go there, wait for like 15 to 20 seconds depending on the timer that's going to show somewhere in here. In the meantime, you will want to scroll up and down, see what's going on the site. Then once the timer runs out, it's going to have a green check mark, and that's how you get paid a couple of cents for visiting this site. Now let's see if I can't catch a live offer yet, because this keeps refreshing every couple of seconds, so maybe I get another one. As I said, I completed a bunch of these earlier today, so I'm pretty much spent for today. Should have recorded back then, but I really expected there will be a couple of more of these today for me. But basically, you just click on the box, copy the keyword, go to Google, paste it, go to the site, wait for there a couple of seconds, and you get paid a small amount of money. Then if you go to your earnings side, you can see I actually made $17 just today from this, but usually it's between $25 to $30 range for me every day, so I expect there will be a couple of more of these offers for me here today later. Unfortunately, it's not the case while I'm recording this video. Now, after you make a couple of dollars with this method, actually how to scale this up into thousands of dollars on Autopilot is very simple. You just go to Google and you want to look for voucherstore.net. Just go to voucherstore.net, and once you here scroll down, and you will see coupons that are on discount, that are on sale. And just now I'm fortunate enough to catch these couple of coupons that I want to show you. For example, $500 Google Ads coupon that's selling just for $9.99. You just pay $10 and you get $500 worth of Google advertisement credit. Also, there's $600 one for Canada and £400 one for the United Kingdom. What you want to do is buy one of these coupons for Google advertisement, and you want to run an ad campaign on Google using this. Now, if you have 10 spare dollars to buy this advertisement credit, you just go ahead and skip this entire search Google method. But if you want to start literally from scratch, you just make a couple of dollars on SerpClicks, invest it into this Google Ads campaign credit, set up a Google Ads campaign with your affiliate link, and you can start making thousands of dollars on Autopilot every single week. Now, if you don't know how to start a Google advertisement campaign, I'm going to explain that in detail in this video right here. Otherwise, I just hope you have a fantastic day. I'm going to see you next time.